I don't own this one.
What?
I don't own this one.
Oh, I thought you said you don't know this.
You're crazy.
You're crazy!
Yoga?
Yoga?
You're like a little, like, African gray parrot. You like repeating everything I say. Son of a bird!
Son of a bird! Let's fly away!
I would clip your wings if you were a parrot. Because you'd probably fly away. Get lost.
That's sad. Hurts my heart.
You can fly around the house, but you couldn't like fly outside.
If you clip my wings, how am I gonna fly?
Well, like there's certain ways where you can your flying capabilities are significantly
Limited?
Limited, yes.
Yes.
I can't talk.
Significantly limited, as opposed to if you had not.
Okay, so we used to have this bird, and we got the wings clipped to a point where it could fly short distances, but